Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CORV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and all this was occurring on well above average volume. And going into next week, and a very interesting setup here that has taken shape. And now it's just a matter of seeing if this is going to play out at all. But the potential setup in the world of technical analysis charts is what we would call a double bottom. And a double bottom is exactly as it implies. There's two lows. So there's a bottom right here. And now this is where things are a little shaky because it's looking like there might be some sort of bottom. This is kind of a poor man's hammer candle. And this all occurred on well above average volume. So potentially, this is some sort of stabilization point. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the last time the price was at $1.30 and the price got a bounce does not mean that for sure the price is bouncing back up on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that it's for sure going to happen. My point is it's at least a valid and a rational thought to have. For example, let's say that the price has never bounced off $1.30, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like it could bounce off $1.30. You'd be, wait, what are you talking about? Based on what? But in this situation, it actually has. Again, does that mean it's guaranteed to happen? No. Does that mean it's at least a valid, logical, thought to kind of throw out there? Absolutely. So $1.30, definitely a very, very important level of support. Just because not only has the price held above there, but if this is going to be some sort of double bottom pattern, that's certainly the area that will need to hold. Now, if this is the bottom and the price starts to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Main level of resistance, if there is going to be any sort of bounce at all in the very near term, is this $1.40 mark. If $1.40 can be broken, then the next key level of resistance after that, right up there at those highs around $1.57. So like I said, certainly a very interesting movement on this one today, and the price has proven it can get pretty volatile. So from a trading standpoint, that's not necessarily a bad thing at all. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.